CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors Halatko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish Ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Jylla ba arpoar jong ka North East Regional Park Committee kabalalong ha last new blay ha Vivanta Hotel Guwahati hapo ka jingpa jingkmi jong ka Ministry of Power ka Sarkar India lingba ka jingkarshan jong ka Nipco kalabu Thong ban Pynjanai khambha ya ka Jingsam Bording shiki Jylla ba pher jong ka than chatai lam mi ngi kari India Hagani ka Jylla bala penyai do Menteri Rangba jong ka Jylla Nagaland nephew Rio la shimbenta di Menteri gi bapat ji ka tanat sam Bording jong ka Jylla ka than chatai lam mi ngi nagani ka Jylla Meghalaya la mi khmat o sambot Menteri Rangba uba Preston Tensong ubala pentip halor ki jing pen kre jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya ya ka jingshna ya ki shlem pen mi Bording khnang man weng ya ka jingduna ka Bording hapo kani ka Jylla Meghalaya
by working with my colleagues the Minister in charge of power, I realized that power is a very important department and it's the basic needs of modern society and how each one of us requires power, electricity power. And I see that all the senior members in the government Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister are holding their portfolios. That itself shows how important is the electricity power. So I want to thank all my colleagues who have worked with me and we will deal common problems and also state specifics. And today also we had a very good meeting and I hope this unity and cooperation will continue and Government of India will help us. Also want to thank the Nerpc Secretary and his team of members and all the central ministries and state officials also who have worked. And I want to especially thank the government for extending the time so that we can take a tour of some countries, how they use, how much important and how beautifully and systematically they will give power.
Projects, Nerpc SIP. And today I'm representing our ED Level Superstar. We have to move to Delhi for some urgent work. Regarding this CPS under training that you have said for training of personnel, we have already invested 13 crore. We have done some training and we are going to do more training. Only thing is since construction of training building was not considered in the DPR, this will have to put forward to the competent authority of Ministry of Power. And I request the forum to also take up the matter with MOP.
We all know that the Northeast region is a country, is a part of the country which is rich in natural resources. And we have to use those for the development of our region. One thing should be remembered, commercial needs and social obligations in the power sector entirely need to be balanced properly, using cooperative and combined wisdom. Nerpc is the most appropriate forum to discuss and bring out some consensus on all the pertinent issues which are being faced by the power sector in the northeastern region. In the interest of northeastern states, this August forum should also be utilized to collectively present the common views and issues of the government of India. We are all aware that the Nerpc has always been persistently taking endeavor for making the NER power system operation more reliable, efficient and economically viable, and I sincerely hope that this particular meeting will resolve many of the significant issues affecting the power sector in the Northeast region. This is crucial if we are to achieve our sole objective of providing 24/7 power for all at an affordable price. I comprehend that the 22nd Technical Coordination Committee TCC meeting was held on last Saturday, and I hope that in the said meeting many operational and technical issues were mitigated. TCC must have also addressed in detail on the way forward for power sector in the northeastern region. The northeastern region, being geographically isolated, faced many issues which are region specific in nature, and many challenges need to be tackled and overcome together. And we must also remember that the northeastern region is the most diverse region in the country. And providing last mile connectivity is a challenge. And I heard the chairman of Nerpc speaking on hydro. There is an immense potential for hydro in many states, but not so much in Tripura. We do have a hydro project, very old one, which is almost generating nothing we can say thanks. We have got some finance from ADP to revamp that. And you'll be happy to know the government of Tripura has made most of the investment in power. We have made a very huge investment in power from ADP, from World Bank, from Northeastern Council, and from RIDF, from NABARD, in MNRE sector.
Honorable Chairman and the RPC, my dear colleagues from different states, or officials of central government and state government, distinguished guests, special invitees, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I convey my sincere gratitude to the Chairman of the RPC and the Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland for having invited me to this 22nd Northeast Regional Power Committee meeting here in Guwahati. I thank the Nerpc for their gracious hospitality in hosting this important meeting. I take this opportunity to express my thankfulness to NRPC for their continuous efforts and contribution towards power sector in the region for the overall welfare of their people. On behalf of the people of Meghalaya, I bring heartiest and warmest greetings to all participants with great confidence that meaningful deliberations will take place for improvement of the power sector of our region. It gives me great pleasure to be part of this august gathering, and it is my earnest hope that through this particular platform, we will be able to meet the challenges faced by the power sector in the region. I aim to see that informed decisions are arrived at in this NRPC and look forward with a lot of hope and expectation in the leadership of our current chairman, who is one of the foremost leaders of the Northeast. The NRPC, since its inception, has been relentlessly in its effort to strengthen the power sector in the Northeast to ensure it remains reliable, efficient and economical. The deliberations of the past NRPCs have been carried forward for the common benefit of the constituent states of the Northeast. It is therefore imperative to follow this in the same spirit of cooperation to jointly put in on our efforts to achieve our common objective of providing 24/7 quality and affordable power to all. While the northeastern states often face many challenges due to its geographical isolation, the region is however blessed with vast hydro potential which could contribute to regional and national growth. Hydropower is more relevant today than ever, considering the global efforts at limiting the use of coal and other fossil fuels for power generation in order to combat climate change. The committee will be able to take a resolution on this. So therefore my printed speeches, because I want to avoid the constraint of time, since I've already had a printed speeches, I'm sure it will be circulated to all of you. So therefore, I don't want to prolong my speech much. We have so many agendas from now. So with these few words, I'm sure through this committee, we will be able to really see that the northeastern region grows in terms of power generation. Thank you.